Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mo, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a long overdue video. This video is a DIY, if you did see the title. Like I said, this video is long overdue. It was highly requested last year at the time that I did my skincare routine. But since then, my ingredients definitely did change when it came to this toner. During that time, I was only using water and apple cider vinegar and then vitamin E oil and tea tree oil. Those are the only things I was using for this DIY. But since it's about to be a year since I've been using the new and improved toner. It's a toner, but it does moisturize your skin at the same time, so you definitely don't even need to use a moisturizer after, depending how your skin is. In this video as well, as I'm showing you, you can switch up the ingredients or use less or more oils than I do. This is just me showing you guys my toner and how I use it and how it benefits me and my skin, and we're about to get into that right now. So with that being said, if you like to see not only what's in my toner, how I put it together, and how it benefits me and my skin, keep on watching. So the first thing I put in my DIY toner, first and very important, is water. Now we all know why water is key to us and our bodies and our skin and everything, and our hair and everything, especially if you're natural. You definitely know why water is important. So I'm not going to get into that, I'm not really going to get into that. But the first thing I put is my water. Then I jump into my oils. Now, the first oil that I use, tea tree. Now, tea tree, not only does it dilute like the smell of this toner as well. That's why I put a lot more tea tree than I put anything else. Also remove dead skin cells and dirt. When you wash your face, you never know if you got everything. So it's very important, like I said, for this oil to be in there, because it helps to remove dead skin cells and dirt and any extra things that you definitely did forget when you washed your face. The oil that I put in is my sunflower oil. Now my sunflower oil is key. I love this oil. It's really good for acne and eczema, and it's rich in antioxidants. What I put in is vitamin E oil. Now we all know why vitamin E is very good. Not only is it good for our split ends and our scalp and hair growth, it's also good for our skin, and it softens. And the oil that I put in is my castor oil. Now I live by this oil hands down. I never knew about this until I started really researching and doing my research. Ever since I started doing making my products, I research every oil, every butter, everything. And when I stumbled upon the fact that not only castor oil, well, as we all know, grows your hair and allows and promotes healthy hair and hair growth and everything. Castor oil is really rich in moisture, and it restores your skin's natural moisture and helps with your skin's elasticity as well. So that's why I love castor oil, because I never knew that until I started making my product. The next oil that I use and I love to death is my apricot oil. Now apricot oil, I know that's not even a known oil that I see on YouTube or anywhere else, but I live by apricot oil hands down. Apricot oil is not only rich in vitamin E and K, but it also reduces dark circles and marks on your skin. So it's very, very potent when it comes to discoloration. I didn't know that, like I said, but now I do, and I've been using it for a while, and I do believe that's another reason why, that's another thing that helps with my skin. The last but not least oil that I use is my black seed oil. Now black seed oil is an all-purpose oil. Now this oil is good for everything, for cuts, bruises, burns. It's known for a lot. You can drink it, eat it. It helps with stomach problems. It helps with any type of pain. You can put it in tea, you can put it in water, you can put it in juice and drink it, eat it. Honey, you can put it with honey on a spoon and put black seed on that spoon as well and eat it. Black seed oil is very key, essential to my life ever since I found out about black seed oil. Now, black seed oil helps with fine lines and wrinkles when it comes to your skin. It helps tighten up your skin to reduce any old appearance, basically. my next two liquids. Now, my first liquid is apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar is key. It's key. Yes, it do stink, but hey, it's key. Trust me. Not only helps with your pH balance for your skin, but also helps cleanse and do reduce any fine lines and wrinkles as well. It definitely helps tighten up your skin. And for any like cuts or bruises that you have on your face, it definitely do reduce and minimizes that and helps it go away. Now, the next thing as well is aloe vera juice. Now, everybody knows aloe vera juice heals skin with any cuts and bruises as well, cuts or burns as well. I do recommend aloe vera for like an everyday use. Like, if you don't want the apple cider vinegar, you can just use water and aloe vera and then use your oils. It's all up to you and how you want to do it. I do recommend it like that if you don't want to use the apple cider vinegar, because like I said, to reduce that smell, you just have to put more tea tree oil in there, and plus the smell definitely goes away within like not even 5 minutes with it being on your face. So once you already put it on your cotton swab and you put it all over your face, you definitely do not smell the toner anymore. I've been using this long enough to the point that it does not faze me. Does not matter. That it doesn't faze me at all. I've never gotten like a bad, oh, you stink or whatever since I've been using this. So yeah, this toner is very beneficial for your skin. Especially for your skincare routine. Like I said, this is a moisturizing toner, so you definitely do not need to moisturize your face after using this toner. This toner is key to my life, and I'm trying to help it to be key to yours. It definitely helped me with my acne. I haven't had acne since I've been using a DIY toner, and it has been years since I've been using a DIY toner. But this moisturizing toner, it's about to be a year. I just want to make it clear with that, because I don't want to say, oh, this helped my skin clear. Like, yes, it's definitely helping my skin keep clear and for it to like keep looking flawless. But it definitely did not make my acne go away like this, because since I've been using this, I haven't been having acne. But I do have friends that do use my DIY toner as well, and they said hands down it's been helping them with their acne or anything. The only time I ever get acne is during my cycle, but that's like slim to none when I do get my acne during that time. But yeah, guys, with that being said, that is it for my DIY toner. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's definitely long overdue. I'm definitely trying to do something completely different with my channel. Hopefully you stay tuned and see what I have to offer and to see my content. Please comment down below for any video suggestions. It will be very much needed, because I definitely would like to see what you guys would like to see and hear all y'all suggestions. That would be lovely. But with that being said, guys, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. It's definitely going to be down below in the description box. But please do follow me and to see the behind the scenes of what I do with my life, what I'm up to. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely see y'all next time.